Hello and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make Fall Guys fresh medieval style knight. So let's get started. Let's go first with the helmet. Go for 1 point. Go to the top. Then go back almost at the same level. Create a circular shape. And then complete one side to the other. Let's go with the top of the helmet. Going backwards around the neck, going up, then the top of the helmet, like a fin shape. Now let's add some holes to the front cover. Start at the 1 point, going up. Try to keep the same distance for the top and the bottom. Also for the other side. In this case, a total of 6 holes. Now let's go with the face. Do first the scarf around all the neck. Do an ondular shape going down, then up around the shoulder and the end of the helmet. Let's do the shoulder pads going up, down, a circular shape at the front, from there going up and finish the gap. Add an extra line just to create a thickness. Now the chest armor. Go for 1 point to the center. Now go up and create a thickness. Repeat the same shape around the previous one. Now let's go with the arm. And the arm protector. So let's go. So draw a line around the arm and for a point, covering all the arm and the hand. Going up. And an extra line going around the previous shape. Do the thumb and the fingers. Now the belt and the lateral protectors. Another line similar to create a thickness. And also let's add another shape to complete the chest cover. Repeat the same shape Now at the same level of the shoulder pad, let's do the other one. Go for 1 point, going down, repeat another shape. Do the circular shape at the bottom. And now let's go with the arm protector. Do the arm and then the arm protector. Going down. Try to keep it at the same level. Then going up to create the hand. So let's go first with the thumb and then the fingers. Now let's complete the body. Start for 1 point, go to the side and up. Now let's do the foot. Start for 1 point, going to your side, then finish in a tip and go backwards. And trim the foot with 2 lines. The same for the other foot. Let's go with the face. Draw 2 lines on each side. And in the center, the eyes. Try to keep the same size for the eyes. Add some extra lines for the scarf. Complete the gaps that you have. Complete the details in the shoulder pads. And also the arm protectors. And also add the thickness for the rest of the armor. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. Also let me know in the comments below which character would you like to see from Fall Guy in the next videos. See you!